My website and app presentation are over Splash Math and Google Earth. Splash Math is an app that allows students kindergarten through 5th grade to increase their math skills. Depending on the grade level you choose for your student, the teacher or parent can decide whether to work ahead, stay right on track, or get caught up. Even if you're unsure of a student's math level, you can choose unsure and it still let them begin to be placed in the correct area. Benefits of the app are helps boost students' confidence, increases students' scores, and allows them to get ahead. There are small fees that come with Splash Math. For a half year is $9.99 a month, a whole year is $4.99 a month, and a family package is $2.75 a month. This app supports my content because if some of my students have trouble with adding and others with subtracting, I know they can come home or go in class and focus on that one skill. This will allow students to see their growth as they achieve this section and will hopefully continue. As I learn more about technology and how much of an impact it has on my students' lives, I realize that everyone doesn't have access to technology or even simple internet. With the help of Splash Math, students can have fun while furthering their learning. They get to deepen their understanding and become more independent. Although an adult or teacher needs to always be in the student's surroundings to monitor the technology, Splash Math helps students with the use of technology because they can complete the math lessons themselves. This app is great for meeting the needs of diverse learners because it allows each student to track their progress and correct their strengths and weaknesses. This allows you to create a connection with your student and help them learn in their own way. Students performing at grade level, below grade level, and above grade level can all be modified by either adding time, taking away time, or moving on to a higher grader level. Students with exceptionalities can set a timer so the activity isn't too long and students keep engaged for a shorter period. Students who are gifted, they recommend at least 3 days, so they may need to spend more time or move on to a higher grade level. Students who are ELL, there are settings where you can change the language that best fits the student. This would be a great time for the adult to help guide the student and become an aide. Google Earth is a computer program that has a 3D representation of Earth based on satellite imagery. Google Earth allows anyone to see the world from a different point of view and angle. Students get to see anywhere in the world without moving a muscle. Would be great for a science lesson about Earth, and I can easily install it by quickly downloading it onto my device, are just some of the benefits of the website. This website supports my content by viewing the world right from your hands. Not every day you'll get to see the entire Earth, states, and countries in one classroom setting, or ever. With the help of Google Earth, I can keep my students engaged over a wide range of subjects. Getting the chance to see a satellite zoom in on our world today is amazing, all while furthering my students' education. With the help of Google Earth, it allows me to introduce my students to a new and not commonly used website at home and bring it into the classroom. My students will get the chance to see the world in a new perspective straight from their desk. This will let them know and hopefully open their eyes and show them how much technology can really help further their learning about many different things. This website is great for meeting the needs of diverse learners because anyone can search directions, places, and learn about our world from inside out. I believe everyone can benefit from Google Earth, especially children. You could do a social studies lesson and involve the many different people. This would be a great time to zoom in on the many different ethnicities, cultures, and backgrounds around the world. Students performing at grade level, this will help introduce and further their education. Students performing below grade level, they may need help defining what they're supposed to do or what they're supposed to take away from the lesson. And students performing above grade level, this will be perfect to let students explore the different options and places around the world by themselves. Students with intellectual disabilities may need an aid depending on the disability. Most of the activities will be done in a group or class setting, so no one will be working alone. Students who are gifted, this will be a great time to let them practice being independent and learn to watch themselves. Students who are ELL, teachers or parents can change the language that best fits them. Even an interpreter would be great.